Welcome to this quick tutorial video. I'm going to show you how you're going to upload a custom audience and a list, a customer list that we give you most probably into your Facebook ad account and create a lookalike audience. So step number one is to create a custom audience. Use your sources, click on customer list, click on use a file that doesn't include LTV. And then from this requirements, click I accept. Okay, so then step number one, you don't have to click anything. Step number two, select the origin directly from your customers. And then you upload the file. So here it is. And give it a name. You could just leave it default, or I'll call this custom customer list. I could do. Next, all you need is this email with the checkbox. Nothing else matters. The only thing that matters is the email. So that is done by default. Upload and create, upload anyway, and there it goes. It's populating. It generally takes anywhere from 2 hours up to 24 hours to completely finish populating. Give it a refresh. So still populating. The next step is to then, once this is finished populating, is to create a lookalike audience from this. So I will show you how to do it, but it's most likely not going to work until this is finished populating. So you'll want to just at least give this 24 hours. Click on the list and then click on these three dots. Click on create a lookalike. Select audience location, click on browse. Right here where it says countries, regions, click on right here, select all. Over countries, select all. We want to create a lookalike audience in all countries. So let me scroll down, you'll see it looks like this, 1% of worldwide. Okay, this is where you start, and then click on create audience. And we can see there's an error message saying source too small. It's too small because it's not finished populating. That's why I just said you have to let it finish populating, and then you do that step to create the lookalike audience. So the first one I just showed you once again, with the three dots, is do worldwide, right? Okay, and then you could do it again. Once you make that worldwide, you click create audience, and it does that successfully. Then you do the same process again, select your customer list, create lookalike, and this time you could just do United States, just like that. There's a few different ways you could do it. Number one, I suggest is do the worldwide like I just showed you. And then the second lookalike, you can make a USA only, just like this, 1% of US. Then click create audience, do the same process again. And then you could do a third lookalike with USA, Canada, United Kingdom. Those are the top three most buyer countries, English speaking. So then you put all of these three countries into one and then create audience. Then you'll have three lookalike audiences at the end of that. You'll have a worldwide, a US, and then a UK, Canada, US lookalike. Create audience. And that's it. Then when you're done, you'll have all those lists right here and they'll all be ready to go. And then you can start using those in your ad sets for targeting.